One of the newest features that V0 have launched in the past few days, a way for you to switch between block versions and revert to any old versions within the editor. What that means is that as you are developing your project, and at some point you might reach an error that you can solve, or you just went down in a rabbit hole that doesn't really make sense for your project, you can just revert to any version that you had previously to ensure that you are not only getting exactly what you need, but also that you don't have to start all over again. That being said, let's jump in. This will be a quick tutorial. I will show you exactly what I'm talking about, and it will make sense in a moment. All right, and we are in the V0 dashboard. This is a project that I've been working on for a previous video, talking about how you can connect Figma account to your V0 account, so you can make sure that any Figma designs that you have in your Figma account can be used as inspiration for V0. With that being said, we're going to continue doing a little bit here, and just to show you how we can go back. So I want you to change the math manage of him from the label to update and from is in format. We're going to change this label right here, and hopefully it does exactly as I asked. But it should be an easy fix. And it should not take that long. And granted, this is going to be a really simplistic example, but it would all make sense. We have this label that was updated. It got updated to update employees' information. You can do one of two things. Number one, you can use the undo button, which basically it will revert your project back to the last version that it had. So we will do that. And we're back to manage employees. So you can go again back to the next version. Another thing that you can do is you can come here and click on any of the versions that you have created and open it, and it will show you that version, and you can restore it, and you can use that as your checkpoint to move from that moment forward. So we're actually going to restore it because that's what I need. And as you can see, there is nothing else down there. It just deleted any changes that it made from that moment forward. And we have reached the end of yet another video. Although this is much shorter, this is going to be 5 minutes or less. But nevertheless, I really appreciate you sticking with me until the end. Thank you for watching. If you like, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Liking this video will help me reach more people, as the algorithm gets triggered every time that somebody clicks the like button. Subscribing help me reach my 1,000 subscriber goal. But thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.